girl or boy?
Male.
Young?
Yeah. It's okay, Sammy. Say hi to Sam. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Alec.
Ollie?
Yeah.
Hi, Ollie.
Hi.
Where's the accent from?
I'm from
Yeah.
Belarus.
Belarus. All right. Belarus. До свидания. Let's go. Hey Alex, what's up, buddy?
What are you doing? Hey, Sam. What's up, bud? Hey.
What's up, Patrick? I didn't think it was gonna be windy.
Occasionally, but
So what?
it hasn't really gust up occasionally, but yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. Is that like a waiver or something I gotta sign for this footage, or?
Yeah, exactly. Ukrainians are. Although who knows? You got about politics. What do you got? Yeah! Oh yeah. Oh, fucking Sammy, flag up. Go get it. Go with Patrick. Go. Let's go, Sam. Come on. Let's go see. Hold on. You want to get some water, dude? Yeah, right there, look. Oh, yeah. Off them. Right. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Why are you doing that? There was two here last week too. They were here last week.
Oh. What's up, dude? Let me take that off you, Sammy. Let me see you. Come here.
was that, Em?
Hey, what's up, guys? Woo! Made it.
Wait for you.
Hi.
Jump so good.
Sammy who?
Sammy Slipper?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Hey
Over here.
guys. How you doing, Derek? Do you want that? No? Fun? Hi, how are you? Wait, really? I 100% so funny. I 100% think that. It's nice though. Yes. Oh, look at Chris. Chris, you're the hostess with the mostest.
Anybody else? Yeah. Oh, Lewis? Here you come. Your cup's inside.
Sassy.
Inside. Get one for Scotty.
Oh, do you want some?
Wait, where did you guys get those?
I tried to beat him.
No, they just keep popping up.
I know, I thought I had mine.
Oh.
You're gonna have to keep that one stuff. So.
Hold on.
Flag up! Flag up!
Flag up! Mom, don't run!
Oh my God.
Don't run! Run! Down!
Here you go.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Let's do a flag up! Flag up!
Here's to a flag up.
Cheers.
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 Cheers to a
Cheers.
flag up.
Cheers. Oh, all right, Sean.
Where am I on?
No. Sammy. Sammy. Yeah, Sammy. Sammy. Sammy, come on. Sammy, come. Yeah. Hi, Sammy. How are you?
Get on the back.
I think that would be good. Don't go fast. I don't trust you.
No, I'm gonna go slow. You want to do it or not?
Yeah.
I mean, I put this heavy stuff.
Tell me if you want me to go faster. I'll go slow. All
Can I go with you?
Where are you going?
Chris, wait, I'm gonna go with her.
right, go ahead.
No, I'm gonna lose mine. Emma, where are you going?
A pickle or a pickle?
A pickle.
It's getting wetter right here. And she goes, Cassie, can you babysit me? And I go, right now? She goes, yeah. Why do you need me to babysit you all of a sudden?
Mr. Cheddarworth, yeah? Cassie, Maya, Colleen, you want Cheddarworth? They're ready. They're like regular hot dogs, only way better. Way better.
No, it's a sausage with cheese in the center.
No, I don't want
The cheese in the center.
ketchup.
Yes, there's ketchup, mustard, and relish.
Whoa! Cassie, come on, Cassie.
Oh, I'm in.
Oh, Cassie's in. Get your cheddar worth there.
I'll have some of these cheddar curls.
Wait a minute, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can I open these cheddar puffs?
Absolutely.
Get your cheddar puffs here. You want your buns toasted?
Sure.
Darn right you do.
Darn right. Darn tootin'.
You darn tootin'. What do you think, Sammy?
What? What was that?
Get your condiments here.
Oh, look at the eagle.
Oh, he's coming in for the fish. You set the GoPro right. Get
Guys,
burned, dude.
you too good?
He's going to town, dude.
How are you so good?
He's like a,
Figure skater.
all right, well, he's a twig,
I
so,
want to see him jump off
yeah.
I'm ready to see it. No way he has to try. People do.
What do you call that thing? Do a lopsa-opsa or something. What is that?
Great job.
Look at,
Why is he so good?
look at Rachel, looks like a noob. Look at Rachel.
Rachel sucks.
Yeah.
Your fiance definitely showing you up, Rachel.
Oh my goodness. They carry it out. We watched them. They literally
Get your
carried
cheddar
the
wurst
snowman
here.
walking over.
Hey,
I'll go with
cheddar wurst. Hot dog, cheddar wurst there. Toasted buns. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, get your cold beer here. Grab a roll. Okay, there you go. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. How'd that one burn? You got a hot spot. I had one job.
This ketchup mustard relish.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Amelia, do you want a hot dog, Amelia?
No, thank you.
Chris, can I get one of those?
Right here, there's one ready, right here. Good timing. Sam was just waiting, but you're gonna cut in front of Sam.
Yeah. A lot of people don't know that about me. Wow!
Whoa!
That is different. What do we got? What do we got here? A dog? I'll take a check. Yeah, I'll take a dog. Whatever these. Yeah. All right. All right. That'll work.
Come on.
Hot dog. Hot dogs here.
A fish. My kingdom for a fish. DCF, where's the fish?
Is it the time of day determines if they bite or not?
So,
I can do that. Yeah, exactly.
ooh, that's us. Where's Emma?
Here's Emma. Yeah, you say he is.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Hold it up. Yeah, buddy. Woo! All right. Hold on, let me take a picture. What are you doing? Yeah, there, boy. It's on, dude. Ready, go.
Don't look at me.
Gotta go.